In here, we'll walk you through the media section of the Content Manager. Here, you can easily upload and manage documents, images, and icons to use throughout your app. When you select media from the left panel, you'll see a gallery of all your uploaded files. These include documents like PDFs, images, and icons. To streamline your search, you can use the filter drop-down on the left to sort by media type. To add new media, click the Upload button at the top right. This will open your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to select any image, document, PDF, or icon. Once you've chosen a file, simply click Open to upload it to your media library. Your file will appear in the Media section, ready to be used in your app's content. Once uploaded, you can use any image, document, or icon from your media library throughout the Content Manager, making it simple to enhance your app with visuals and documents. And that's a quick look at managing media within Appspotr's Content Manager. With easy upload and organization options, you'll always have the right visuals and documents at your fingertips.